Today, I went to a beautiful farm to spend time with my kids, and we had so much fun. We laugh, we run around, and enjoy fresh air. My family is not perfect, but it's perfect for me. The day was beautiful, the sky was all blue, it was beautiful. I feel so lucky having an amazing man, someone who supports me through everything. As the parents, we do our best to give the kids what they need and make them happy. Life can be busy, but we always try to make time for them. To create moments that they remember forever. And today was one of those special days. At the end of the day, it's not about to be perfect, it's about making memories. And today, we definitely did. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.